Light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis convert solar energy into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH, which is then used in the second phase of photosynthesis, the light-independent reactions or the Calvin cycle. The process also called oxygenic step as it releases oxygen in the environment. This whole process takes place in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast that have pigments, light-harvesting complexes, photosystem 1 and 2, reaction centers and ATP synthase. The light-dependent pathway begins when a photon or a particle of light hits a chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2. This results in loss of an electron from chlorophyll. This excitation of chlorophyll causes split of water or photolysis of water to donate the electron to chlorophyll. As a result, oxygen is formed and released into atmosphere through the stomata, and protons that generate proton gradient across the membrane to rotate ATP synthase to form ATP molecules. 2 water molecules are initially decomposed by 4 incident photons to yield 1 oxygen molecule and 4 excited electrons. The excited electron is captured by primary electron acceptor plastoquinone to get reduced into plastoquinol. The process doesn't stop there. Plastoquinol in turn carries the electrons derived from water to another thylakoid-embedded protein complex called cytochrome B6F. CytB6F oxidizes plastoquinol to plastoquinone and reduces a small water-soluble electron carrier protein plastocyanin, which resides in the lumen. A second light-driven reaction is then carried out by another chlorophyll protein complex called photosystem 1. Photosystem I oxidizes plastocyanin and reduces another soluble electron carrier protein ferredoxin that resides in the stroma. Ferredoxin can then be used by the ferredoxin NADP plus reductase (FNR) enzyme to reduce NADP plus to NADPH. This scheme is known as the linear electron transfer pathway or Z scheme, since it resembles the letter Z. The whole process shows how the electrons move from the water via a chain of redox carriers during photosynthetic electron transfer. By the end of the light-dependent pathway, we have the production of ATP and NADPH, the energy molecules to be utilized during light-independent pathway of photosynthesis.